Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm a little worn out and it's later on at night, but I wanted to show you something. This was a project that I really wanted to get started on. This here is the Aeroflow Dynamics version 2 splitter. The company itself was really just a pain to deal with. I had ordered this back in January, and every week they were telling me that it was in the mail or would be in the mail in a couple days or finished fabricating, so it was just a big pain. I'm glad that everything came out really good with the product. The product itself speaks for itself. It's really good quality, but would not be dealing with them again for any future purchases. So basically where I'm at is I have the splitter rods, and I did go against what people say the proper way. I did put them on the bumper here, and there was only a way to fit these right at the edges. So I'll have to play with whether I want them to be in or out. Thinking I may put them in or just kind of right alongside. I'll see how it plays out. But basically what I'm going to do now is fit the lip on here and attach the actual splitter itself using some, using some of these clips here. I have my holes all drilled now. Once the holes are drilled, you basically just put the screws in, figure out your spacers. It's basically just PVC pipe, so fit it in there, and I use a Dremel to kind of lower it as I needed. So basically it's all done except for these rods here, which I'm going to do at the end after I put it down, or actually put it back on. But this was actually a really big pain. I thought it was going to be easier, but it's definitely, I would say, a two-person job. What I started is just the ends here, and then once I did that, one in the center, and then I just worked the 3 on the side here. So once you actually have your first 2 holes drilled, it makes it a whole lot easier just going throughout the rest. So I'm going to try to fit this back onto my car now, get everything plugged in, and I'll meet back up with you guys whenever we actually install these. Now, I am going to be putting them inside. I thought about putting them on the outside, but it doesn't make a whole lot of sense since there is no screw here. So it's going to be best, I think, in the middle. I may try to tilt it up a little bit, but we'll see what it looks like whenever I get to that step. So I realized that you can't tighten the back of the splitter rods whenever you have the bumper on, so I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes, put the splitter rods in the correct places or the places that I want them, and then fit the bumper back to the car. So here's the final installed product. Looks pretty cool, and I did do the splitter rods here where it actually does not have a bolt underneath. It's basically one in the middle and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. Overall, I think this looks pretty sweet. Definitely liking this a whole lot. I went with the V2 just because I really like just that lip that it has on the end there. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Here's another view of the stabilizers. They held up pretty good. I just got back from a little over 1,000-mile road trip and no issues with them. They're still here, as you can see, so they have my thumbs up as well. Alright guys, Happy driving and enjoy.